Today we're going to talk about our Planitop FD and Planitop 15.
Okay.
Both of these products are a form and pour and form and pump product, one component. You can see what we're going to do is we're going to put them in these form boxes that we made. This one here has a little bit less rebar in it. And this one has a little bit more rebar.
A little more crowded.
Right. Now, the biggest difference between the FD and the 15, the FD has coarser sand in it, it has a corrosion inhibitor, and it's shrinkage compensated, where the Planitop 15 has finer sand, it also has a corrosion inhibitor, shrinkage compensated, but it has silica fume in it, and I think that's it.
And dry times?
And fiber reinforced.
And dry times, same?
Yeah. Well, actually, the dry times are a little bit different. This one over here, the FD, is an accelerated cure product.
Right.
Okay, whereas the Planitop 15 is going to take a little bit longer. Now, the nice thing about both of these products is you can use them horizontal and use them for a topping, and then you can put a breathable topping on it, like a leveler or one of our ultra top products or something like that.
Interesting.
On the FD, you can put a topping down like a step leveler within 24 hours, and you can put an epoxy on it within 3 days.
Talk to me about compressive strengths here. What are we talking about?
The compressive strength on this one, you're going to get about 8,000 PSI after 28 days.
8,000. Holy cow. And this one?
This one here, you're going to get close to 10,800 PSI.
Oh, man. That's a lot.
Absolutely. That's a lot.
So, again, this is back to understanding the structure that you're repairing, what its design was, and what the compressive strength requirements are on that will help determine which one of these products you use.
Right.
Yeah.
Now, both products you can pour up to 4 inches neat. And when I say neat, that's without extending it with pea gravel.
Okay.
Okay, so this one over here, the FD, would be a 1/2 inch to 4 inches.
Okay.
This one over here would be 3/8 to 4 inches.
All right, cool.
And then you would extend it by 50% of the weight for the pea gravel if you wanted to go deeper or deeper than that.
All right, well, let's let these people watch magic happen, man.
Okay, the first one we're going to pour. I guess we have the 15 up there, so we could do the 15 first.
Okay.
And the 15 you're going to do with the congested rebar. And LeMay Mitchell is going to pour it in now.
All right, now watch. We got the young, big, strong guy to pour it.
And as you can see, when he's pouring it, it just goes in there really nice and just encapsulates the rebar with no problem at all. Now, that's a lot of rebar in it, but it can go in forms with rebar going in every direction, twice as much rebar that's up there, and you'll have no problem at all.
Very good.
Now, you can see right below that, we have the finished product 24 hours later. Took the plexiglass off, and you can come up, feel it, and see how nice it is. It's nice and smooth. And the finish is really nice.
I'd pick it up and carry it around, but then someone would have to carry me to the bus, and then just wouldn't be a good scene at all. All right, next one.
So our next product that we're going to do is the Planitop FD. Remember, this one has a coarser sand in it. Right. So you want to do it with a little bit less congestion of the rebar. But you can still see that it flows really nice and encapsulates the rebar very good as well.
And corrosion inhibitor, correct?
Corrosion inhibitor and shrinkage compensated for both products.
Now, why I keep pointing out corrosion inhibitors, I'm from South Florida, and corrosion is the #1 problem. Any moisture, and water is sneaky. It's always getting in places you don't want it to get into. Once it gets to the rebar, we're in trouble.
Right.
So
now, besides the corrosion inhibitor, we would actually recommend coating the rebar with our Planibond 3C or our MAPEI 1K.
Okay, cool. Very cool. All right.